Welcome to Keto Master. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on keto tips, news, videos and ideas. Ketosis is the state where your body produces a lot of ketones in order to supply your body with energy. Ketosis is achieved by following the keto diet, which involves restricting carbohydrates. Generally, the body enters into ketosis when there is inadequate carb and calorie in the diet so that it fuels itself from stored fat rather than on glucose found in carb foods. The ketogenic dieters say that it helps improve overall health and boost weight loss. However, not all dieters know when they are in ketosis. Below is a simple guideline of the symptoms that one is likely to experience if they are in ketosis. Weight loss. Another sure sign that your body is getting to ketosis is rapid weight loss. During the initial weeks of the keto diet, your body is likely to lose water weight as a result of electrolyte imbalances and glycogen depletion. After the fast weight drop in the first weeks, your body will continue to lose body fat as you continue with the ketogenic diet. In fact, there is solid evidence supporting the use of the ketogenic diet as a solution for long-term weight loss, mainly because of its appetite suppressant impacts. Increased mental focus. One of the positive signs that you have reached ketosis is when you experience improved cognition performance and decreased brain fog. During ketosis, your body produces increased ketones, which act as the fuel source for your brain when carbohydrate is depleted. Ketones have also been proved to treat conditions like memory loss, concussions, and other brain diseases. It is, therefore, no surprise that long-term ketogenic diet improves brain function, focus, and energy. Increased ketones. One of the most reliable symptoms that you are in ketosis is having increased ketones in the urine. Few ketones are released during the initial weeks of a ketogenic diet, and the levels increase drastically as you continue to take the diet. You can use a glucose meter or urine strip to determine whether you are in ketosis. Although affordable, urine strips are pretty inaccurate, while glucose meters, which are on the expensive side, offer more accuracy when it comes to tracking ketones. Bad breath. While ketosis may do a lot of good to your waistline, it can, without a doubt, damage your social life. Bad breath is a common side effect, especially for people who have attained full ketosis. This Fruit Loop breath is as a result of increased ketones in the blood, particularly acetone, which is eliminated from the body through breath and urine. The stinky fruity smell occurs on people who are on diets such as ketogenic and the Atkins diet. Therefore, be sure to brush your teeth more often, use sugar-free gum, or use mouthwash at all times. Reduced appetite. A common symptom that you might notice while on the keto diet is that you become significantly fuller. Since the ketogenic diet focuses on consuming satiating foods like carb vegetables, meat, and fish, it will take more time for you to get hungry again because of the high fat content. Also, it has been suggested that appetite suppression is due to the regulation of the hunger hormones in the body. Short-term fatigue. Short-term fatigue and weakness are common symptoms of new dieters experience. During the initial switching, your body releases numerous electrolytes via urine. This process of your body trying to adapt to a whole different system is known as keto flu. Keto dieters experience keto flu during the first weeks, and the signs include fatigue and nausea, which last a week. The fatigue will pass once your body adapts the transition. Nonetheless, you can take electrolyte supplements to lessen the symptoms. Headaches. The other symptom of the keto flu is ketosis headaches, which occur when one consumes few carbohydrates, particularly sugar. Ketosis headache, which lasts between 1 to 7 days, can also be as a result of electrolyte imbalance and dehydration. Digestive upset. Most people experience digestive issues such as diarrhea and constipation when adapting to the keto diet. Diarrhea is as a result of adding more fat to your body. Carb cutting causes plummet insulin levels, which lead to hydration and constipation. If you are constipating, try to include more magnesium and fiber to your diet. Changes in sleep. Difficulty falling asleep and waking up in the middle of the night are common signs of ketosis during the first weeks. Luckily, this symptom will disappear after a few weeks of following the ketogenic diet. Thirst. Some people who are in ketosis may feel thirstier than normal because their body loses a lot of water. Thirst can also be caused by loss of electrolytes due to high ketone levels in the body. So, ensure that you drink plenty of water to avoid dehydration. Muscle cramps and spasms. Similarly, electrolyte imbalance and dehydration can cause muscle contractions and spasms. To avoid these symptoms, partakers of the keto diet should ensure that they get enough electrolytes like magnesium, calcium, sodium, and potassium in their diet. Increased urination. Increased urination is a reliable sign that your body is getting into ketosis. As your body is adapting to the keto diet, you may have more bathroom trips. Your body's insulin levels will decrease and consequently release more sodium and water. Conclusion. Ultimately, the symptoms of ketosis may vary from one individual to another. But if you are following the correct guidelines of the keto diet, it is not hard to know that you are in ketosis. It takes 2 to 3 weeks in order to get into deep ketosis, which comes with numerous benefits like weight loss.